In the name of Allah, the King, the Master, the Creator of the seven heavens and the earth, honorable teachers, respected guests, ladies and gentlemen, dear students, honorable jury, members of the faculty, it is a matter of great pride and honor for me to participate first time in such a wonderful and prestigious ceremony. Respected judges, today the title of my speech is The Role of Education System to Eradicate Corruption. Corruption is like a weed that grows deep into the soil of our society, choking out fairness, equality and justice. It is described as the deep-rooted issue that cripples the nation, undermines the progress and destroys the public trust in governance. Despite various strategies to tackle this problem, the most powerful and sustainable solution lies in the education. Respected judges, firstly, education empowers citizens to make informed decisions, to question authority, and to demand accountability. When we educate people about their rights and responsibilities, we create a society that is more likely to stand up against corruption. We help them become responsible citizens. It helps them become a moral compass that guides their decisions and actions throughout the life. Secondly, education instills values in integrity in individuals. When we educate children, we shape their character. We honestly shape their character. Respected President, when we teach children, we shape their character and helps them become responsible citizens. It helps them become a good citizen, become a responsible citizens, and become honest. Thirdly, education teaches critical thinking, analysis and problem solving. These skills enable individual to identify corruption, report it, and work towards finding solutions. Respected judges, what can we do? We must prioritize education into school curricula, teaching children about the honesty, fairness, and respect. We should teach them the honest education of corruption, eradicating corruption from the education, through the education. We ought to support the institutions that promotes accountability and transparency. We should also support those who are against corruption. In conclusion, education is the most powerful weapon in the war against corruption. Through education, we can create a future where transparency is the standard, accountability is expected, and corruption is left behind as a relic of the past. Let us harness the transformative power of education and build a world where transparency is the standard, accountability expected, and corruption is left behind as a relic of the past. Thank you for listening to me.